Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm going to be showing you on how to build these two cars. And I'm actually not building them right now, and I'm actually going to build them on the next video. So just hit the like button, and in the next Minecraft video I will be making these two cars. Okay, maybe you can't see them. These two cars. I will be building these two cars, and I'm gonna build them right over here on this red wool. Then wait, did I already did this? I'm just gonna repeat this. If this video gets 10 likes, I will be doing a tutorial on how to make these cars. Yeah, these cars. So make sure to hit that like button if you want me to make cars, and if you don't want to, just dislike the button and subscribe. And where okay, I'm just going to say bye bye.